you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show 'em who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. As always, if you are a first timer, then welcome. I am happy to have you guys here. Old subscribers, new subscribers, thank you guys for joining me. I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell. That bell will give you notifications for when I send out daily videos like this, like our weekly swings, our monthly swings, our reviews, informational videos, learning tools, motivational videos, and all kinds of other things. You can also find me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. You can DM me there, you can comment there, you can ask me questions there, and you can do the same down below. And if you like the video, guys, please give me a thumbs up. And if you don't like the video, feel free to give me a thumbs down, but let me know why you didn't like the video so I can improve them for the next time. So let's go through the plays for Wednesday, March 23rd. I'm not going to go through a really big list. I'm just going to go through our top 5 here today. There aren't a lot, and I'm putting this out kind of late for today. So let's jump on it and get on it. First one we've got on the books is Moderna, mRNA. Okay, Moderna has an outside bar. So outside bar breaks the high and the low of the previous candle. And we can take calls on this at 188, puts at 168.35. We do have time frame continuity on the month, the week, and the day right here. If you want this indicator, you can go into your indicators, type in time frame continuity. The author is Board Rider B. Okay, so next let's go on to MS. And when we did the review, I told you guys this one would be on my top 5 watch list, because we have a 3-1 setup, or an outside bar, inside bar setup. Super powerful pattern, rare pattern, does not show up all the time. We have to go back. Look, there was 3 in a row here in September, October, 2 in October. Okay, so they don't happen very often. Let's just go back on Morgan Stanley and see what happened on these. So on the first one here in September, we had an outside bar, inside bar. Then we broke the high for a gain, and then we reversed back to an outside bar. So you could have taken gains, maybe you lost. On the next one, we had an inside, outside, inside, and then we broke to the downside for a gain. Okay, and then here we had outside, inside, and broke to the downside for a gain. Okay, so they're rare patterns, they're powerful patterns, and they usually lead to a big gain. Not always. Nothing's guaranteed in the stock market. So we can take calls on this at 94.62 or puts at 92.80. Let's go into Starbucks. Again, I told you on the review video this would also be on there. We went from a 3-1 pattern, or an outside-inside pattern, to a double inside bar pattern. So we're showing a ton of consolidation in this thing over the last 2 days. Inside bars are like a spring, basically, when we show consolidation, and they're coiling, getting tighter, 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 and at some point they just explode to one side or the other. I don't even know if we could go back and see the last time we had. There is one right there. December 10th. We had a double inside bar. Let's see what happened. Double inside bar, and again we broke to the high side here, hit one target, not quite target 2, but pretty darn close. So powerful setup on that. Move back up. So Starbucks, double inside bar, we can take calls at 89.15, puts at 87.82, targets here and here if we go long, or targets here and here if we go short. That's on Starbucks. The trade desk TTD, again, a 3-1 pattern, okay? So powerful pattern, powerful setup. Calls at 69.32, puts at 65.10. Let's go back in time on this one. We have one right here. And what did we show on this one? Outside, inside, and look, we break to the high. 1 target, 2 targets exactly. So we broke from 81 to almost 82, so a $2 move on an $80 stock. It's pretty good, especially when you're dealing with options. Okay, but you can, and again, guys, you don't have to use options for these. You can use common shares. I like the way options work, and I like the gains that you can get off them, so I use them. Okay, let's go to MU. MU has an inside bar. We can take calls at 79.73, puts at 77.42, and we'll go with one more here with Upstart, UPST. Upstart, I'm going to look for a reversal to the upside. So the day and week are green. We had a 2 down that finished green, so I'm going to look for calls at 130.31. I'm going to say target 1 is right here. Whoops. Target 1. Why isn't this going? Target 1 right there. Target 2 right there. Okay, and then you can find some intermediate targets in here if you'd like by going back on the hourly. Okay, guys, that's it. I wish you guys the best of luck on Wednesday. I should be tweeting out for the most part. I'm going to be looking at the SPY orb again just because it's worked for me the last 2 days, 45%, and then 17 or 18% today. So I will be looking at the 3-minute orb tomorrow on SPY, and then we'll be looking for 30 and 30s and reversals and inside bars and outside bars intraday. So if you guys have questions, feel free to shoot them out to me, and I will get back to you usually within the day. So until next time, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.